Okay, I'm excited. With the Bobcat here, I'm gonna make some really good progress in just a few short hours. So I went ahead and I did a bunch of before footage just for today so that we can see what it looks like before I move the pile of boulders and after I move the pile of boulders. I'm gonna start at the bottom of the hill and work my way up. So we're down here at the dirt driveway. I'm gonna set some boulders along that embankment. And I might even do a little bit of a swell over here to catch some of the rainwater, because this whole area in the heavy rain was kind of a marshland and I want to reduce that a little bit. So we're going to leave a little bit of a swell at the bottom to sort of direct all the rainwater to. The bottom of the leach field is right here at the start of the flat section, and I don't ever want to crush it with a trailer or the Bobcat itself. So I'm going to label that thing with some large boulders that will probably never get moved again. Specifically so that if I come through with a truck in a couple of years, I don't forget it's there and drive a big load of gravel over the top of the bottom of my leach field. I am going to keep a little bit of a slope, like I said, for the rainwater to flow toward the bottom, but we're going to try and stair step our way up. So I'm going to do another set of boulders here at the bottom of the stairs to kind of wrap around like a horseshoe shape to then designate the next landing pad, which will probably just be garden beds. And then I think I'm going to do a third curve wall of boulders that we will then build the greenhouse on top of.
Good job, Liz!
Nice!
Wow.
right, babe, what do you got?
I got more morels. Oh, hey, hold on. And right there, and right there.
Seaweed.
Look at that.
And
this one.
Right under.
Oh.
My wife is over there foraging for morels. Last weekend, the bobcat just kept dying on me, so I shut it all off and I called it a day because I couldn't lift anything, I couldn't push anything. Then it rained all week, and now you can sort of see what I mean by the rain problem we have here. This will all be better once I have plants and mulch in to kind of soak up the moisture, but either way, I'm going to end up doing a swell down this side into like maybe a little bit of a pond right here so that all this rainwater can sort of come to one side and be in a central area and not just kind of like mud everywhere. And then I started piling up some dirt here because eventually we are going to do just big garden beds this way with space around either side. So we're going to do big garden beds. Our chicken coop is right here. I started putting chicken wire up. And this weekend I have a fuel filter for the bobcat.
Her first morel. Where was it?
Has she picked it yet?
Yeah, she picked it up and handed it to me.
Nice, Hazel.
It's this one.
That's awesome.
Cut to you. Cut one. So excited.
Never mind. They ran for like 3 minutes and then died on me, so I don't know. Okay, I got it running. It was the fuel pump. We're back in business. Okay, I had 3 more rocks to move out of that pile and the bobcat died again. But the sun is setting, so I'm gonna pick this up again tomorrow and I'll show you guys all the work I got done. Okay, the bobcat is still stuck. I don't know when we're gonna get it running again. So I'm just gonna wrap up this video as it is and just know that the bobcat is there till we get it fixed again. But my walls are done and that pile of rocks is gone and I got that pile of stumps and limbs gone. So now we can garden in this whole area. We can work on our chicken coop now that the rocks are out of the way, and that big greenhouse is gonna go at the very top with access from the other driveway and that gate over there. So I'm really excited with all the space we have here now. Once I get our chicken coop done and a bunch more of the fencing done, we'll be able to start gardening here. I think we could have a really productive first year gardening here. If you want to see us battle the deer and raise chickens and garden out here, subscribe to my channel and follow along. We'll see you guys in the next video.